something kind of weird. We're heading north. We're supposed to be heading south, but we're making a little detour because we want to go somewhere that we have not been before. So we're heading northeast out of Las Vegas.
No, it's not Area 51.
You don't want to get snowed on, honey, huh?
Been there, done that.
Not at Area 51. You've never been snowed on at Area 51. Come on. Nope, we're headed to somewhere else.
You'll find out soon.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
I'm on a winding road. I don't know which way to go, but I know if I follow my heart, like the beat of the drum, then I'm off to a good start. Let's go, let's get lost in a dream. You and I make the sweetest of teams. Let's go, let's get lost in a dream. We are the best that the world has ever seen. The beauty of the journey is not knowing how to get there, but we'll get there. So let the wind sweep on your face and mess up your hair, 'cause we'll get there, we'll get there.
So we just passed through Logandale in Moapa Valley, and we are headed to Overton, which I think is like right next door to it. I haven't seen any signs, but we are headed to the little park here where we can get water. Hopefully, that is still the case. Well, here we are. We're following that truck. We are at the infamous Snowbird Mesa. Our first time here. Wow. Pretty. We'll get much better video. We need to find where we're gonna park. My vote is for nowhere near the edge. So we are finally at Snowbird Mesa. It is November 2022. And I'm gonna do 360, and it's a little breezy, so I'm gonna stop talking so Tom can just add some music to the beauty. Up on the roof to tilt our panels. It's our friend Dawn. And the other day when it was super windy, Dawn lost a few things over the edge. As you can see, pretty close to the edge. It's pretty brave to put a Starlink that close. So we are here in Overton, and look where we are. This is where Dave and Dawn brought us for lunch. Criss Angel's breakfast, lunch, and pizza. Tom's like, who's Criss Angel? You know who Criss Angel is?
The other day.
Comment below if you know who Criss Angel is. Let's go get some chow. That's okay. What were you saying?
Oh, I said I filmed all this the other day.
Did
so
ya?
I left
Well,
my
you can
camera in
check
the
out
truck.
Cowboy Biker Adventures for his take on the Criss Angel's restaurant. Good menu. There's all kinds of cool stuff in here. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Yum. I got a pizza. I think Dawn ordered a calzone. And I don't know what Tom and Dave got. What'd you order? I guess we'll find out when you get it here.
Yeah, I don't even remember now. Hopefully it's good.
As good as Dave's chicken
Oh my
barbecue
gosh,
pizza.
I haven't made a chicken
Got a
barbecue
calzone
pizza.
over here.
Nice.
Chicken sandwich, a burger.
Thank you.
Pretty waitress. Where's that? Don and I are having a beer.
And she's good. She comes back.
Yum yum. Let's eat.
I haven't had the taste of it.
Got gourmet Italian ices. Oh, look at what's in here. Got chocolate cake and carrot cake. Nobody said there was any chocolate cake over here. Got more seating. A mural on the wall. Okay, I'm following you, Dave.
No, I'm following you.
Where am I going? Ah, straight ahead. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
Please do not touch the items. Thank you. Alright. I'm not going in the men's room.
Oh,
Is it this?
please shot.
Ooh, a secret passageway. Check it out. That's awesome. Very cool. Dave said he used to have more memorabilia back here, but now they changed it into like a banquet room.
And this gets posted. Chris, we missed the memorabilia. We need the stuff. I know you got it.
Very cool. Glare. Very cool. That's pretty awesome.
Now you can film the whole place. No one's in here.
Yeah. Criss Angel and the Backstreet Boys. Yeah, Gwen Stefani, I already saw that one. Keith Urban. Kiss. Now there's cool. Very cool.
Very cool.
This is awesome. Yummy food too. Thanks, Criss Angel. We're still at Snowbird Mesa, miraculously, because it's been nice the past few days, so we decided not to leave. And I am getting ready to make pumpkin bread for Thanksgiving tomorrow. So I'm using my little 5-speed mixer. This thing is almost 40 years old, and every time I use it, I hold my breath. And today we are powering it on our Big Blue. Here we go. Now I gotta get the sugar.
Here I am.
Hi, sugar. You want to put your hand in there? Stir it around a little bit. I'm putting the bread batter into the pans. I've lined the pans with parchment paper and baking spray.
I thought you'd just pick up this big old bowl and just
Hey.
pour it in there.
No. That would be the messy way. This is messy enough. See,
Yeah, look at that. You're kind of messy.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, don't hit me.
It's raw. Don't be doing that.
Oh, whatever.
What
I haven't died yet.
What do you think it is? Cookie dough?
I've made it 59 years.
How come you're not filling those pans up?
You don't fill it all the way up. It has to have room to rise, goofy.
Oh.
It's a good thing you're not doing this.
Are you saying I can't?
You could, but it'd be a big fat mess and it would spill over in the oven. And
Mm-hmm. Oh, sorry. I'm in the way.
Get out my way.
No. Go on, say it.
Get out my kitchen. Can't wait to have this. It's probably what I'm having for supper.
It'll be done by then?
Yeah.
Oh.
It takes an hour to bake. Well, oops, I was supposed to show you me taking the cranberry bread, the pumpkin bread out of the oven, but I forgot. So I've already taken it out. It's cooled, sliced up. This is a loaf for Dave. We already cut into ours and had it for breakfast. Happy Thanksgiving!
What are you doing?
Go ahead and say what you just told me about the wind.
It's a mite breezy here, Blythe.
It's ridiculous.
Okay. We've been in some windstorms in southwest Arizona, down around Yuma. We have never been in a windstorm that has lasted so many days in a row as we have here on Snowbird Mesa. This is ridiculous. We've been here going on 2 weeks, and we've had approximately 3 days that we could sit outside.
3 nice days, yeah.
And it's been cold. It was cold everywhere, so I'm not even going to talk about the cold.
But the
cold
wind.
here is 40s and 50s in the day, 30s at night. That's what cold is here. So let's not talk about that. That's a wash. The wind? Oh my gosh!
Yeah, last night was ridiculously ridiculous. Kaylee and I couldn't sleep.
It felt seriously like we were going to turn over. The rig would roll over.
It felt like we were on a freaking boat in a tidal wave.
Oh my gosh. Talk about moving around.
Woo! Oh my goodness.
Hey!
Yeah, so
It's all part
of the adventure on Snowbird Mesa. Thanksgiving week 2022.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Coming up next Wednesday, the What Up Wednesday video is going to be all about
Valley of Fire.
Valley of Fire as we enjoy our stay at Snowbird Mesa.
Be sure to tune in.
All right, so that's coming up, What Up Wednesday, next week.
If you've subscribed and haven't dinged the little bell yet, please do so you get notified when that video comes out.
Thank you guys for watching.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Are you dizzy yet? I am.